Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore a previous version of your Wix site. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Sign in to your Wix account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Site and Mobile App, then select Website. This will display all the websites connected to your account. Choose the website you want to restore a previous version of. If you manage multiple websites, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one before continuing. Next, click the Edit Site button to open your website in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, click the Wix menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Site History, then click Go to Site History. A new page will open showing all of your saved website revisions. Each version includes the date and time it was saved, making it easy to identify the version you want. Click the arrow next to any revision to preview that version of your website. Browse through the available versions until you find the one you'd like to restore. When you found the correct version, click the Restore button. Wix will display a confirmation message explaining that your current site will be replaced with the selected version. If you're sure, click Restore again to confirm. Wait a few moments while Wix restores your website. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your Wix website. Thanks for watching.